Beloved Azur, some people achieve a lot with minimal effort, while others put in a lot of effort yet keep struggling. How can we know if this is due to destiny or lack of effort?
How do you know that they have not done proper effort? You only know about yourself. Sometimes people say, I spent some 2 hours in learning this subject and I was able to memorize everything. I was able to do this assignment within no time and with less effort. Although there are some people who are God-gifted people, they have the talent to solve some problems very quickly, but not necessary that they solve all the problems. Sometimes some people are good in mathematics, some in geography, some in biology, some in physics, some in chemistry, some in other sciences or other subjects, history. So some can easily remember the figures, and some are very much poor in remembering the figures, but they can easily remember the historical details of everything. So there are quite a number of people with different aptitude, different talent, and different qualities. Normally, people are average, right? And they take time to learn something or to complete their assignment or whatever they are going to accomplish, they accomplish it within short time. So instead of seeing that what the other man has done, you should make your proper effort. So in every achievement, you will have to work hard. If you are working hard, you will achieve your goal. And Allah Ta'ala will also help you. And at the same time, being a Muslim, being a staunch and strong Muslim, being an Ahmadi, you should, alongside your hard work, also pray to Allah Ta'ala, that Allah Ta'ala help you to complete this assignment, this goal, and make it easy for you. So in this way, Allah Ta'ala also will help you, and you will achieve your target in less time or with less effort or in a better way. Right?
Ji, Jazakallah Azur.